learn about text alignment and text wrapping. So we can align text in different ways. So after selecting the text here in different alignments, you can choose from here the middle alignment, left alignment. So you can align by clicking in different toggle buttons here. So just make it like this. For this, you can align it in different ways. So for numbers, my recommendation is not to choose any alignments. For numbers, Excel is automatically put your numbers in such a way that it looks great. So if you don't like it, then you can also align your numbers, but it's recommended not to align your numbers. Now I will teach you how to wrap your text. So text wrapping. So suppose you are writing something like a big sentence. So sales of August. So here you can see that this writing is goes to the another column. So if you want to wrap this in the same column, so you can select this writing and then just choose wrap text. Then it will be like this. It will be like this here in the one column. The height of the row will change, but the writing will be visible in one column. So here in this lecture we have learned about the text alignment and text wrapping. So another alignment I'm now teaching you this here. This, like, suppose you want to change it to clockwise or anti-clockwise. So if you just choose the cells that you want to work with, and then just click here this toggle button AB, just orientation AB with this arrow button. So just click here and you can see that the angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise. So if you want to make it clockwise, then this will be changed. So if you want to make it angle counterclockwise, then these numbers will change like this. So you can align in different ways. You can align in the text and numbers in different ways. So here are the most commonly used alignments used in Excel.